spacious living room. Have a look at it. So this is a very amazing kitchen with two sides of parallel. This is your very spacious master bedroom, guys. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of Srishti Nama by Kalpataru. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. The sales office is right behind me. But before that, let me take you to the main road and show you the neighborhood. Let's go. As you can see, I'm standing on the actual location. Here is the main road. The right takes you directly to your highway and left leads you to Mira Road railway station. Before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So now buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a vast land of 9.36 acres with 11 towers with ground plus 33 floors with a configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this project has 40 plus world-class amenities including swimming pool, 14,000 square feet clubhouse, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is right beside Bhakti Vedant Hospital with Western Express Highway at a distance of just 1.2 kilometers, Mira Road railway station at a distance of just 2 kilometers, metro station at a distance of just 1.5 kilometers, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Now let's go check the sample flat. So now let me give you a tour of this 2 BHK with an area of 652 square feet. As I enter, this is the foyer place. As you can see, and to my right hand side is the kitchen. Come, let's see the kitchen. So this is a very amazing kitchen with two sides of parallel platform. There's good amount of space in this kitchen. As we go ahead, this is your washing machine area which is right next to your platform. So there's good space for your washing machine also, and you can use this as your storage area. So they have given a cupboard over here where you can store everything. Good amount of space for cabinets also. And right where your platform ends is your refrigerator area. So you can easily keep your two side double door refrigerator over here. Moving ahead. So this is your very spacious living room. Have a look at it. So spacious, so nice. You can nicely chill, relax, enjoy with your family over here. And you get attached French window and also a balcony. You can go check out the balcony. 2-3 people can easily sit, chill, have their coffee, enjoy the view outside of your balcony. Moving ahead, this is our dining space. So they have given good amount of space for your dining area. Also, you can easily have 4 to 6 seater of dining area over here. Have your lunch, breakfast, dinner with your family, and now we go towards our first room. But before going to my first room, this is our first common washroom. You can have a look. Good, spacious common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now let's go check out our first bedroom. So this can be your kids' bedroom, guys. You can see there's good amount of space over here. After placing a whole king size bed also, there's so much of walkable space, and right here your kids can have their study area, study table, do their projects, homework. And now this is the wardrobe area. So a whole wall dedicated for your wardrobe. So good amount of storage, and you can see the depth of this wardrobe also. Please show them the depth. So this is the depth of the wardrobe. And after that also there's good amount of walkable space in this room. So rooms are not congested. You've gotten good rooms over here. You also get half French windows attached to the bedroom. Now we'll be checking the master bedroom, which is the second bedroom of this house. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, sample flat video and actual flat video, pros and cons of buying this project, payment and EMI schemes, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on www.housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself free and book a free site visit along with us. Now come, let's check the master bedroom. So as we enter, this is the foyer space. This is your very spacious master bedroom, guys. As you can see, there's so much of space in this room. After placing a whole king size bed also, there's too much of walkable space. This is your study area. Again, you can have your meetings, do your work if you have work from home from here. And now, here is your attached washroom. Go have a look at the attached washroom. Again with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So you have good wash basin space, good shower area. So the washroom is also quite big. Now this is your wardrobe area. Again, a whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe area, and this wardrobe also has good depth. So this was the sample flat tour of Kalpatru Srishti Nama. To get more information about this property, don't forget to please check the comment section, and to know about more such amazing properties, please don't share to check the icon button. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.